I love my white shoes. Oh, hey, it's Read Aloud time with Miss Sorden. Let's read Pete and his magic sunglasses.
Hello! Welcome to Read Aloud Time with Miss Sorden. I'm so happy that you're here with me today. I get to read Pete the Cat and his magic sunglasses. I wonder what this book is going to be about today. You know, every time I read the Pete the Cat books, I always walk away with a really good lesson. So let's see what we learned today. Pete the Cat did not feel happy. Pete had never, ever, ever been grumpy before. Pete had the blue cat blues. Then, as if things were not bad enough, along came Grumpy Toad. Grumpy Toad was never happy. He always wore a frown. See Grumpy Toad? And look at Pete the cat. He has the blue cat blues. But Grumpy Toad was not grumpy today. He said, "These cool blue magic sunglasses make the blues go away. They help you see things in a whole new way."
Do you think the cool blue magic sunglasses are going to work?
Let's see. Pete put on the cool blue magic sunglasses. He looked all around. Right on. The birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining. I'm feeling all right. Oh, yeah. The glasses worked. Pete thanked Grumpy Toad for the cool blue magic sunglasses. He went on his way and soon he saw Squirrel. Squirrel did not look happy. Pete said, "What's wrong, Squirrel? I'm so mad. Nothing is going my way. I only found one acorn today." I bet you that Pete the Cat is going to share the sunglasses. Let's see. Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Pete is going to share. Squirrel put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. Awesome! The birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining. I'm feeling all right. Pete said goodbye to Squirrel and continued on his way. Soon he saw his friend Turtle. Turtle did not look happy. "What's wrong, Turtle?" asked Pete. "I'm so frustrated. Nothing is going my way. I am upside down today." Look at Turtle. He is upside down. I bet you Pete is going to share his glasses with Turtle. Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Turtle put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. Far out! The birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining. I'm feeling all right. Pete kept rolling along until he saw Alligator. Alligator did not look happy. "What's wrong, Alligator?" Pete asked. "I'm so sad. Nothing is going my way. No one wants to play with me today." "I betcha Pete is going to share his magic sunglasses." Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Alligator put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. "Rockin'! The birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining. I'm feeling all right." Pete was rolling along and feeling all right when suddenly he fell.
Oh no, Pete just fell and broke his magic glasses. What's going to happen next?
The cool blue magic sunglasses went crack. Uh-oh. Pete didn't know what to do without those sunglasses. Just then, Pete looked up at the tree. Wise Owl said, "Pete, you don't need magic sunglasses to see in a new way. Just remember to look for the good in every day." What a wise owl. Very wise. Pete looked around without his sunglasses. Too cool. The birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining. We're feeling all right. The end. So, Pete the cat realized that when he just looks around and sees all the awesomeness that's around him, that makes him feel good. That makes him feel happy inside. Every day, look for the good. Until next time.
I'm so glad you came to Read Aloud Time. You did an awesome job, Miss Sorden. Until next time.